Are you having a brightness keeps changing issue on your iPhone 8 Plus? Don't be upset. Here are the easy solutions to solve brightness keeps changing issue on your iPhone 8 Plus. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off battery low power mode. Open settings, scroll down, tap battery. Now simply turn off the low power mode toggle. Solution 2. Turn off the color filter. Open settings, scroll down, tap accessibility. Now tap display and text size. Scroll down, tap color filter. Now just turn off the toggle. Go back, now turn off reduce white point. And also turn off the toggle of auto brightness. After that, simply restart your iPhone device and check whether it is solved or not. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.